you see out there today? What did you see out there? Is there any bad out there? Thank you for watching. Thank you mga langga, ha? Salamat sa pag busy dyan. Kasi when I'm done eating, I will continue my cooking, cleaning. Lagyan ko lang lang. I will put some fish. I will put some fish on my salad. Yummy. Oh, okay. Did you make appointment yet? Okay. Okay. Ganito lang ang buhay, guys. Kung minsan na-over na ayaw. Uy, bawal. I will put some vinegar powder in my soup. Mas gusto ko yung mga asim-asim. Tama na yan. Kailangan mo ako sa oras ng iyong pag-iisa. Kain na tayo, guys. My food is done, so I'm going to eat. I turn off there. Dinagyan ko ng isda. Sinigang ko. Isda na pinirito. Isda with ham. Where can you find this kind of recipe? Para lang may sabaw. Alright, let's eat. Thank you so much, Jelaya, for BG. I will turn off my light in 30 minutes. Please eat, guys. Mukbang tayo, guys. Mukbang in my life. I will put this in highlights so we can put this